Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Qiangshen budget-friendly three-wheeler tricycle. Today, we're diving into the world of budget-friendly three-wheelers, and we've got something exciting for you. The Qiangshen budget-friendly three-wheeler tricycle Ruksha 2025 model. If you're looking for an affordable, efficient, and reliable auto rickshaw, this might just be the perfect option. So, stick around as we explore its features, performance, and why it could be the best investment for you. Let's start with the design and build quality. At first glance, the Qiangshen 2025 model has a sleek and modern look. The front is designed aerodynamically to reduce air resistance, making it more fuel efficient. The body is made of high-quality steel, ensuring durability while keeping the weight manageable. The design isn't just about aesthetics, it's about functionality. The strong metal frame ensures that it can withstand daily use, making it a great option for both personal and commercial purposes. Now, let's move on to the engine and performance. The Qiangshen three-wheeler is powered by a highly efficient, low-emission engine. Depending on the variant, you can choose between a petrol, diesel, or electric version. The petrol and diesel models come with a 200cc to 250cc engine, delivering smooth acceleration and impressive fuel efficiency. If you're environmentally conscious, the electric version is a fantastic choice, offering zero emissions and lower running costs. The battery-powered model can travel around 100 to 150 km on a single charge, making it ideal for city commutes and short trips. One of the biggest concerns for anyone buying a three-wheeler is mileage and fuel efficiency. The Qiangshen 2025 model is designed to provide maximum mileage, making it cost-effective for daily use. The petrol and diesel variants offer around 30 to 40 km per liter, which means you get more distance with less fuel. If you go for the electric model, the charging cost is significantly lower than fuel, giving you huge savings in the long run. Comfort is another crucial factor, especially if you plan to use it for commercial purposes. The seating capacity is ideal for 3 to 4 passengers, with spacious and comfortable seats. The interior is designed to minimize vibrations and noise, ensuring a smooth and pleasant ride. The suspension system is well built, making sure that even on rough roads, passengers experience minimal discomfort. The driver's seat is ergonomically designed, allowing for long hours of driving without fatigue. Let's talk about the features and technology in this 2025 model. Qiangshen has equipped this three-wheeler with modern tech to enhance user experience. The digital dashboard displays key information like speed, fuel level, and battery percentage for the electric variant. There are LED headlights and taillights, ensuring better visibility at night. Some models also come with USB charging ports, which can be a game changer for drivers who rely on mobile devices for navigation or communication. The electric variant even has a regenerative braking system, which helps improve battery life by converting braking energy into electricity. Safety is always a top priority, and Qiangshen has made sure this three-wheeler meets safety standards. The sturdy build quality provides good protection in case of minor collisions. It comes with front disc brakes and rear drum brakes, ensuring quick and reliable stopping power. The anti-slip tires provide excellent grip, even on wet roads, reducing the chances of skidding. The electric model also features a speed limiter, preventing overspeeding for better control and safety. Now, let's talk about pricing and affordability. One of the biggest selling points of the Qiangshen budget-friendly three-wheeler tricycle Ruksha is its cost-effectiveness. Compared to other brands, this model is priced competitively, making it an excellent option for those who want high quality without breaking the bank. The initial cost varies depending on the variant, but in general, it falls within a budget-friendly range, making it accessible to a wider audience. If you're buying it for commercial use, it's an investment that can pay for itself in no time thanks to its low maintenance and fuel efficiency. Speaking of maintenance, this three-wheeler is designed for easy servicing. Spare parts are readily available, and the overall maintenance cost is low compared to other models in the market. The engine and transmission are built for durability, reducing the chances of frequent breakdowns. The electric version requires even less maintenance, as it doesn't have many moving parts like a traditional engine. This means fewer visits to the mechanic and more time on the road, making money. Now, let's compare this Qiangshen 2025 model with some of its competitors. While many other brands offer similar three-wheelers, Qiangshen stands out due to its affordable price, excellent mileage, and modern features. Some competitors might offer slightly better speed or power, but they come at a higher price and increased fuel consumption. The Qiangshen three-wheeler strikes the perfect balance between cost, efficiency, and reliability, making it the ideal choice for budget-conscious buyers. If you're wondering who should buy this three-wheeler, the answer is simple: anyone looking for an affordable and reliable mode of transportation. It's perfect for small business owners, delivery services, and public transport operators. Whether you're using it for passenger transport or carrying goods, this model has the capacity and efficiency to meet your needs. Even for personal use, it can be a great option for short-distance travel, reducing dependency on expensive cars or bikes. Let's talk about driving experience. The Qiangshen 2025 model is easy to drive, even for beginners. The steering is smooth, and the controls are simple, making it a great choice for new drivers. The compact design allows it to navigate through narrow streets and heavy traffic with ease. The electric start feature makes ignition effortless, while the smooth gear shifts ensure a comfortable ride. The turning radius is small, which is a big advantage in congested areas. Charging and refueling are also hassle-free. The petrol and diesel versions have easily accessible fuel tanks, while the electric model can be charged at home using a standard plug. Charging time varies depending on the battery capacity, but on average, it takes around 4 to 6 hours for a full charge. Some models even support fast charging, reducing downtime significantly. So, should you buy the Qiangshen budget-friendly three-wheeler Tricycle Ruxia 2025 model? If you're looking for a cost-effective, durable, and fuel-efficient three-wheeler, this is a great choice. It's packed with modern features, offers great mileage, and requires low maintenance, making it a smart investment for both personal and commercial use. That wraps up our in-depth review of this amazing three-wheeler. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Bao Auto Ruxia for more content on cars, bikes, and auto rickshaws. Let us know in the comments what you think about this model. Would you buy it? Do you have any questions? We'd love to hear your thoughts.